One more problem, miscellaneous problem we will discuss now, which is question number 9. Two water taps together fill a tank in 9 and 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So now here we will take the time taken by the smaller tap as x hours. So the time taken by the larger tap will be x minus 10 hours, because they have told larger diameter tap it takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So the smaller tap is taking x hours and the larger one is taking x minus 10 hours to fill the tank. Now this is when they are put separately. Now consider the example. If it takes 2 hours to fill the whole tank, then in 1 hour we can fill half of the tank. That means now we are discussing about what portion of the tank can be filled in a given time. If 2 hours it takes for the entire tank to get filled, then in 1 hour half of the tank will be filled. Same way, if it takes 5 hours to fill the whole tank, then in 1 hour we can fill 1/5 of the tank. Similarly, if it takes x hours to fill the whole tank, then in 1 hour 1/x portion of the tank will be filled. And if it takes x minus 10 hours, then in 1 hour 1/x minus 10 portion of the tank will be filled. So now we are discussing what fraction of the tank can be filled by each tap in 1 hour. The smaller tap, it fills 1/x portion of the tank in 1 hour, and the larger tap fills 1/x minus 10th portion of the tank in 1 hour. Now this is separately. If I put both the taps together, if both the taps are running together and filling the tank, then in 1 hour how much can they fill? If both are filling together, then 1/x plus 1/x minus 10. This much portion of the tank will be filled. This is in 1 hour. So in 9 and 3/8 hours, how much can they fill? 9 and 3/8 into this entire thing. So this much portion is filled. But in 9 and 3/8 hours, the whole tank is being filled. Now fraction for the whole is 1. We represent the whole with the number 1. So 9 and 3/8 into 1/x plus 1/x minus 10 is equal to 1. Now this mixed fraction I have converted into improper fraction, and I have taken LCM of these two. So x into x minus 10, x minus 10 plus x equal to 1. Then cross multiply and transpose all the variables to one side and get it in general form of the quadratic. So I get this. Now here also I can take 2 common. So 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. Then I have substituted in the quadratic formula, and square root of 7225 is 85. So finally the two answers that I am getting is 200/8 and 30/8. That is 25 and 15/4. Now if I take x equal to 25, x minus 10 is 15. If I take x equal to 15/4, then x minus 10 is coming negative. So which means 15/4 is not possible, because in that case x minus 10 is coming as negative answer. Negative number of hours is not possible. So the answer is 25. X is 25 and x minus 10 is 15. That means time taken by one of the tap is 25, other one is 15.